Dr. Mark Winegar here. Before we can get started practicing any styling that we would want to do in a CSS course, we have to have a web page to act upon. And so I've created a very simple web page called A Satisfied Mind. I've called it practice.html. And all it is the lyrics to one of Bob Dylan's songs. And we're going to use this file to demonstrate how styling works and how to use cascading style sheets. This isn't the only file that we'll use, but it is the first one. Now, what I did was very simple. I went out to the Bob Dylan official website. And this is the home page here. I went to the songs and then I clicked on Satisfied Mind because that was the first one that I saw. I highlighted this text and copied it with an Open Apple C into my keyboard buffer. Now, of course, if you're using a PC, if you're running Windows, or Linux on a PC, do Control C. Hold that Control key down and type C. Then I went to Text Wrangler, which is the editor that I use, and I pasted that text in and then built a web page around it. So I put in my HTML tags to begin and end my web page. I put in my start and stop header tags or heading tags, and then I put in my body tags to begin and end the body. I framed the song title in H1 tags to make it the largest size heading. I then took the different verses of the song and made a paragraph out of each one. And then after each line, I inserted a break. And I did that all the way through. Then at the end, it copied the copyright symbol in as text, but HTML wasn't quite sure what to do with that. And so what I did was I looked up the entity for the copyright symbol in HTML, and it's @copy semicolon. And then you see my end tags there. So I saved that out into my CSS course folder. That's it right there. Now, if you don't have a folder for this class, you might want to create one. But for now, you can just go ahead and save your song title, your song lyrics, to your desktop. And then you will end up with a page like this. Once you've got a plain page, you can then work on enhancing it with styles. So go ahead, Google your favorite song, find the lyrics, copy them into your text editor, and make a simple web page out of it. And soon we'll take a look at our first styles.